Ever worried about forgetting your login credentials? e&Mashreq Neo has a quick and easy solution. Let us walk you through resetting your username or password. Step 1. Open the My e&, app. Open the My e& app where you will find two options. 1. Click on Banking from the categories on the home screen to log into your e&Mashreq Neo account. 2. Click on Money at the bottom of the screen and follow the steps. Step 2. Forgot username or password. Click on Forgot username or password in the login screen or access quick links from the top right corner. If you selected the Forgot username option, follow these steps. Step 1. Recovering the username. Please enter your account number, customer ID CIF, or card number along with your date of birth. Step 2. Authenticate. Enter the OTP one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. And just like that, your username is sent to the registered mobile number and email. In case you have selected the Forgot Password option, follow these steps. Step 1. Recovering the password. Enter your account number, customer ID CIF, or card number along with your date of birth and username. Step 2. Authenticate. Enter the OTP one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. Step 3. Creating new password. Please refer to the tips to ensure your password is unique and secure. And just like that, your password has been reset and you're back into e&Mashreq Neo. That's it. Happy banking!